First pledge.
Set your arms forward.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of it.
Proud of it.
Rich and wide heritage.
Rich and wide heritage.
I shall give my parents,
I shall give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
respect,
and return one
and return one
with courtesy.
courtesy.
To my country,
To my country,
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion.
my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity,
and prosperity.
alone lies
Alone lies
my happiness.
my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Everyone, today's state and sport news is brought to you by P because of Grade-VIII Topaz. State news: 5 Telangana districts had been tracked in cold wave. They are Adilabad, Nirmal, Komrambi, Masifabad, Medak, Sangareddy. Sport news: Gill to travel Goa Hari off ahead for second test match against South Africa. Thank you.
My name is Grade-VIII of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am here to tell international and national news. International news. Over 80 countries are backing a roadmap at COP30 in Brazil to pass out oil, gas and coal. National news. Narendra Modi inaugurates South Indian Natural Farming Summit in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Of Grade-VIII Topaz. Success grows when effort becomes a habit, not an occasional act. I repeat my thought. Success grows when effort becomes a habit, not an occasional act. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Vikshita of Grade-VIII Topaz. Word: harmony. It means living together with understanding and cooperation. Friends, please spell after me. Word: harmony. 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 Thank you. Have a good day.
Today's speech. Mathematics is not just a school subject. It is a skill we use in every day. Basic concepts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, and measurements, and the foundation of all higher learning. If our basics are strong, then learning advanced topics become easy and enjoyable. But if the basics are weak, even simple problems feel so difficult. Most importantly,
today GK questions are brought to you by Ashok of Grade-VIII Topaz. Question for grade 7. What do we call the number that can divide other number exactly?
2.
I am repeating again. What do we call the number that can divide other number exactly?
Factor.
Sorry, you didn't pick the any answer.
Factor.
And the answer is factor. Question for grade 8. What is a property that states 5 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 5? Yes, you picked the correct answer. And the answer is commutative property of addition. Question for grade 9. What is the slope of a line that is parallel to the x-axis? I am repeating again. What is the slope of a line that is parallel to the x-axis? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 0. Let us appreciate them. Open question for all. Question number 1. Which number is known as the factor of factors? I am repeating again. What are two number? Which number is known as the two factors of the two factors? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is composite number. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Root 5 is between which two consecutive integers? I am repeating again. Root 5 is between which consecutive integers?
4 and
Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 2 and 3. Let us appreciate them. Third question. If a polygon has 20 sides, how many diagonals does it have?
10.
I am repeating again. If a polygon has 20 sides, how many diagonals does it have?
10.
Sorry, you didn't pick the any answer, and the answer is 170. Thank you and have a good day.
Good evening everyone. Today's riddles are brought to you by Upasana of Grade-VIII Topaz. Riddle for Grade-VII. Why was the math book sad? Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate them. Riddle for Grade-VIII. Why did the students do multiplications on the floor? I repeat my riddle. Why did the students do multiplications on the floor? No, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is because the teacher told him to not to use tables. Question riddle for Grade-IX. What did the 0 say to the 8? No, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is nice belt. Open riddles. Why do plants hate math? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is it gives them square roots. Let us appreciate that. Riddle number 2. Why did the 2-4 skip the lunch? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is because it already ate. Let us appreciate them. Riddle 3. What do we call friends who love math? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is algebros. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. My name is K. Tarun and here my friend Siddharth. Now we are going to do conversation. Hi Sidhu, have you noticed how our school, SR Vidyaniketan International School, past few years?
Yes, sir. Our school is improving in every area like academics, sports, co-curricular activities, and getting everything better.
I agree. The best part is the teaching new method. Learning in our school is become very freely and understand very easily.
And all students are getting more opportunities too. Our school encourages everyone to take part in quiz, Olympiad, and different competitions.
Yes, sir. Vidyaniketan improved a lot in all the ways, building the new classes and each one class they are keeping the one digital board and well arrangement of library that makes a huge difference from others.
Yes, sir. I also like how our school focuses on discipline, values, and overall growth, not just academics.
That's true. Because of all members' improvement, the school is #1 in district. The SR Vidyaniketan International School will be one of the best school in Telangana.
Absolutely, sir. You are correct. I also feel proud to study in our school. I hope our school grows like this.
That's true. Because with the dedication of teachers and the discipline of the hard work of students that makes very bright in future in a society. Thank you.